Hey guys, welcome back in. This is Barrett, and we have today a box of 2018 Heritage Baseball. Picked this up at Walmart, had it on special for $5 off, and yeah, hopefully we'll be sweet if we could find a cool autograph. I know I did pretty good with this stuff last year. And the new stuff is out this year, and I actually bought some and got some cool stuff already. I didn't make a video on those though, but let's take a look. I don't know, I know Ohtani has an autograph in here. I can't remember if it was a redemption or if it was, I think it was a regular one, so that would be awesome. But getting a mini, getting anything cool would be nice. I've always liked the Heritage. It's pretty cool. I know there's short prints, New Age Performer Benintendi. Offhand, I don't know. You know, just looking at them, what would be, I know there's some color swaps and all sorts of stuff like that. I know I think the high numbers are short prints. There's a Strasburg. There's that Corey Kluber, Lester. Yeah, I think all the good rookies are in the high series. I think Ohtani had an autograph, but he didn't have a. And that's one of those Walmart decals, I think. Yeah, Alina, Peacock, Pedroia, Carlos Correa. I know Ohtani has one of those, but I can't remember if that was in the high series. Peterson, Reynolds, Clevenger. You know, it's funny, year to year, you just buy so much of this stuff, you never remember what, oh, I think he has one of those Decal Edge. That would be cool. Haniger, Joseph, we got Chris Bryant, Decal Edge. Alrighty. Mike Trout, Mancini, RBI leaders, and Correa. That one was a pretty decent pack. Yeah, I had two. Walmart had some of these fat packs in their discount bin, and I bought the two that they had. Let's see, Cabrera, Cron, Rivero, and Happ, Upton, and Upton. Got a card of his. I'll pull those out and show you those. I should have saved them and opened them on camera, but you know, sometimes you just don't feel like waiting. Kemp, Arenado, J. Bruce. No, we got a Chrome, Austin Hayes, and Chance Cisco. That's cool, a rookie one. That one is numbered out of $9.99. Cool. Heredia, Posey, got some rookie stars here, Phillies, and for the Blue Jays. Alrighty. Yeah, matter of fact, you see I'm looking on the back there. They have red backs. Carrasco, Smoke, Rogers, Bauer. Flashbacks, Murphy, Green, Defoe, Shamarja. Yeah, I got one of the, so in the two packs, this is kind of crazy, the two packs that they had there, that I bought, they had a mini, Lament, Posey, Margot, Reyes, Bryce Harper, New Philly, Perella, Ramos. Okay, why that one's upside down for some reason. Probably no reason, but Alrighty. Yeah, so they had 2 packs discounted, and so I bought them both. And let me see where they are here. There they are. So I figured, you know, what the heck, might as well buy them. $3.48, and they each had a hit in them. If that ain't crazy enough. So obviously you can tell right there, you can see the red. I was like, no way. And it ended up being a good player. There we go, right there. Chris Sale, redback. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. All right, then our other one we got. I love these minis. They're so cool. And I saw the Angels first, and I'm like, oh, come on, Trout, come on. Justin Upton. And those are numbered to 100. Pretty cool. So that's what we have, guys. Not too bad. Always a fun break to get this stuff. You know, let's take a quick look. I'll have to look and see if there's definitely no redbacks, but I'll have to look and see if there's any kind of short prints in there. But all right, guys, again, please subscribe, like, comment, and most of all, guys, thanks for watching.